Hello everyone, so this is Sheena Marie YT channel. Welcome back and we will do an English to Ilocano translation. So first we have good morning. In Ilocano, ibagami na imbag na agisapa. Next, how are you? In Ilocano, kunami, kumusta ka? Where do you live? In Ilocano, we say pagigyanam or pagpagyanam. Did you eat? In Ilocano, we say nangankan. Do you have money? In Ilocano, kunami adda kwartam. Where did you go? In Ilocano, kunami napanam. I love you. In Ilocano, we say ay ayatan ka. Let's eat. In Ilocano, mangan tayo. Where did you buy this? In Ilocano, kunami naggatangam ditoy or nanggatangam ditoy. I will travel tomorrow. Iti Ilocano, kunami agbiyahinak inton bigat or agbiyahinak ton bigat. How's your feeling? Iti Ilocano, kumusta rignam? I saw them yesterday. In Ilocano, nakitak isuda idi kalman. We arrived yesterday. In Ilocano, simangpet kami idi kalman. I cooked rice and egg. In Ilocano, nagluto ak inapoy ken itlog. I took a bath. Iti Ilocano, kunami nagdigusnak. I am not feeling well. In Ilocano, we say madi tiriknak. Let's buy food and water. In Ilocano, kunami inta gumatang timakan ken danom. I am thirsty. Iti Ilocano, kunami nauwaw nak or makaininom nak. I'm hungry or I am hungry. Mabisinak or mabisinak. It's raining. In Ilocano, we say agtuttudo. It's hot. Iti Ilocano, kunami nagpudot or napudot. You wait for me. In Ilocano, we say urayam siak or urayan dak. Thank you. In Ilocano, we say agyamanak. You're welcome. Iti Ilocano, kunami awan anyaman na. Good afternoon. Iti Ilocano, kunami naimbag nga malem. Let's walk. In Ilocano, magnata. I didn't notice. In Ilocano, madik or haan ko napansin. I am so happy. Naragsak na kunay. I saw you at the market. In Ilocano, we say nakita si ka ijay palengke or jay market. I miss you. Mailiwakken ka or mailiwnakken ka. I won't forget you. In Ilocano, haan ka malipatan or di si ka malipatan. Forgive me. Kunami pakawanan nak. Let's forget each other. Aglinipatan. You're beautiful. Napintas ka or nagpintas ka. You are my life. Sika tibiyag ko. Prepare yourself. In Ilocano, isaganam tabagin. I forgot my keys. In Ilocano, Unami nalipatak susik or nalipatak tulbit ko. Thanks for watching.